Don't copy someone's website. You clone a website exactly, but then what? It's completely meaningless and honestly not smart at all. But what you can do is steal the structure, the layout, the flow, the way the sections are engineered, the whole essence of the website that makes people take action. And then you rebuild it with your own brand, your own product, your own content by using AI. That's exactly what we are doing in this video. I will show you how to find a proven landing page, send it to Claude, turn the structure into a custom Shopify page, and publish it without manually coding everything from scratch. So by the end, you won't just have a copied looking page. You will have a usable landing page structure you can actually test for your own store and client projects. Now, let's get started. First, we need a page that is worth studying. Open your browser and go to Google. Let's search Facebook ad library from here. And from the search result, select the official page of Facebook ad library. Once the ad library opens, let's make this as all and the category also as all ads. Now, in the search bar, let's search Doctor's Quash. Press on enter. Here you will see different active ads they are running. The reason we are using this ad library is very simple. If a brand is spending money to get traffic on their page, that page is probably important in their sales process. So, we are not just picking a random website. We are studying a page that is actually used to sell. Now, click on the active ads from here and I click on this. This will open the landing page of this ad. Now, copy the page link from the browser. This is the reference page we will use. And again, don't copy their logo, image, or exact text. We only want to understand how the page is built. Now, open Claude in a new tab. Let's search Claude. Press on enter. And from here, and select this one. Now, start a new chat. Here, we are going to give Claude the reference page and tell it to reveal the same type of layout for our own project. Click inside the message box, then paste the prompt in here. Press on enter. Now, paste the prompt in here. If you want to get the exact prompt, you can get it in the description. Like, click on this AI prompt and you can get the prompt in here. Now I want to close this. Let's go to the Claude again. Now replace this part with Dr. Quash landing page URL. Let's go to the Dr. Quash landing page again. Copy the link. Go to the Claude and replace the URL in here. Now replace this section with Dr. Quash landing page URL. So clear this and paste it in here. After that, let's make sure the demo brand name, logo and the other is correct. Like the brand name is Bold Bar, product is Natural Men's Soap Bar and the city is Shop Bold Bar. Now, press on enter. This prompt is important. We are not telling Claude to copy the landing page. We are telling to study the structure and rebuild with our own product. That's the smart way to do this. Claude will start generating the code. It can take a while. While Claude is working, let's prepare the Shopify. Open the official link from here. Now, open your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Here you can see the Edit theme in the right side. Click on this. This will open the Shopify theme editor. At the top of the editor, you will see a drop-down like Homepage. Click on this. And now select the Pages option from here. Click Create New Template and let's type Bold Bar Landing. Press on Enter. Click on Create Template. Now we are inside the new page template. If you see default page content, we don't need this for our landing page. If you see any default page content, we don't need this for our landing page. So from the left sidebar, we can see the default page section. If your theme gives the option for hide, you can hide it. And if your theme gives the option for remove, let's remove this. And remove in the header option, we cannot remove this. So for now, let's hide this. Then the pages, hide it. Then the footer, remove this. Then the utilities, remove this. And in this template option, we can see the add section option. Click on this. And from here, from the search bar, let's search custom liquids. And we get it. Let's select this. And here you can see the with like page and create this as full. This is the section where we will paste the code from the Claude. For now, let's click on this save button on the top of this page. Now, let's go to the Claude again. And now our template is ready. Scroll down and here we can see an amazing template. Now let's click on copy to copy the code from here. Let's go to the Shopify admin again. And here you can see the pages option. Click on this. And in this top right corner, we can see the add page option. Let's click on this add page. In the title field, let's type bold bar landing page. You don't need to write anything inside this main content box. Now, look at the right side, find out the template option, open it, and select the bold bar landing. Click on Save. After saving this, now let's click on this preview option. Right now, the page looks blank and that's completely normal. We created the page and selected the template. And now we need to paste the code which we get from the Claude. Now, go back to the Claude. And in the top right corner, we can see the copy option. Let's click on this copy. Make sure you copy the full code, not a small part. And let's go back to the Shopify again. And let's click on this online store again. Click on the edit theme. And open this. Click on this home page. And from here, select the pages option. Now select the bold bar landing. Now click inside the custom liquid and paste the code which you get from the Claude. Now we can see it says the code has some syntax error which can happen if the code size exceeds more than 50 kilobytes. We can simply fix it. Go to Google, open a new tab and search minify code. Press on enter. Click on this minify HTML online. And in here, let's put the code again and click on minify HTML. And you will get here the minified version. Now let's copy the minified version from here. Let's go to the Shopify again and let's remove this code from here and put the new code which we get from the minify. Now it's fixed. Now there is no error and the design will be shown in here. Click on this save button and now let's go to the Shopify admin again. From the pages option, we can see the page has been added in here. Let's open the page from here. And here you can see the visibility as hidden. Now let's turn it to the visible and make save. Now let's click on this online store. Click on edit theme. On the top, click on this home page. Click on this pages option. Open this bold bar landing page and click on this view option. Now we have a landing page structure inspired by a proven sales page, but rebuilt for our own product. But don't stop here. AI output is not always perfect in the first try. So now we check it like a real landing page. Start by scrolling from the top. Check if the headline is clear, the button is clear, the product is clear. Now keep scrolling and check every sections are perfect. If anything looks broken, too narrow, too broad, or badly spaced, we can ask Claude again to fix it. The same way, you can ask it to change the image, the logo, the text, the broken field, and the bigger spaced or something abnormal section. And wait for Claude to return the update code. For example, go back to the Claude again and put the prompt in here. Now press on enter. The same way you ask it to replace the image, the brands, the abnormal section, logos from the previous landing page. When the code is ready, we have to click on this copy as the same process. Now, we need to wait for the feedback from Claude. And finally, we get the landing page in here. Now, copy the code from here as the same process. And from the Shopify admin, in the Custom Liquid, you need to paste it again. And honestly, this kind of skill can become a real service because business don't just need nice pages, they need landing pages with clear structure, better offers, stronger sections, and a smoother buying flow. So, if you can rebuild to improve page like this, you can offer landing page redesigns, Shopify product pages, or add landing page rebuild to clients. That's one of the reasons we are putting together our freelancing mastery program. It's not open yet, but there is a waitlist in the description. If you join early, you will also get a special discount when it launches. Alright, now let's finish this properly. Before using the page, do one final check. Open the landing page on the desktop. Now, check the page on the mobile. You can either use the Shopify mobile mode or use your phone for checkout. Make sure the text is readable, the sections are not broken, make sure the images are not stressed. If something looks off, don't guess. Go back to Claude and describe the exact problem. The more specific you are, the better result you get. And that's it. We didn't copy the landing page. We studied the winning structure, rebuilt with the AI, added it inside the Shopify, and turn it into a usable landing page. That's the smart way to use AI for web design. But remember, this is only one step. The real power comes when you know how to improve the copy, upgrade the design, and make the page feel more premium. So, in the next video, I will show you how to take a page like this and make it look more professional, more polished, more conversation focused because stealing the structure is just the beginning. Now, we need to make it better. And that's it for today, guys. For now, bye-bye.